She said, what you know about love? What you know? I got what you need. Walk up in the store and get what you want.
And welcome back again. This week, somebody said that they need a dessert drink. This is going to be very interesting. This is only happen on the Jamaican Mixmaster channel. And you know how we do everything. We don't play. No day. Alright, so we're going to give you a sneak preview of it. We're going to work with peach snaps. We're going to work with the Tia Maria, but you can use Kahlua. Alright, if you don't have this, use Kahlua. Alright, I'm so used to Kahlua, I said Kahlua, but Tia Maria. Alright, and the good Hennessy. Alright, so guys, those are the 3 top ingredients. So stay tuned, we're coming out with another drinks mix. And we have it, and let's go with it. Alright, so we're gonna blend this one, alright? A quarter shot of Henny. Quarter shot of Hennessy, Tia Maria, and you can use up your Kahlua. Another half a shot. This is half, this is 1 shot. See it? Yeah, man. And to get it spicy and nice, some peach. 1 shot of peach. Add some condensed milk. Yes, guys, some condensed milk. This is going to be very interesting, and it's going to be very nice. Dessert with cheesecake. You see, Jamaican Mixmaster is just not just making all kinds of different cocktails. We go out of the box. This is going to be so good. Condensed milk. And then we're going to add cheesecake. Come and tell me what you think. Put some cheesecake in it and blend it up. Before I put the ice in it, this is so good. So I'm gonna spice it up. That channel, no of it, nice it up. Put some vanilla spice in it. Just a couple drops. And some almond flavor. Just a little bit. You don't want to put too much of it. If you put too much, it's going to overpower it. Alright guys, so time to blend it. I'm going to make sure the glass is pretty. So what I'm going to use is some Hershey syrup. Like this. See that? Yeah. Now watch this now. Some coconut around it. This is what the Mixmaster channel do. We do things out of the box. And you know this is a great dessert drink. Amazing. Amazing. See that? To the drop. One of everything in it. Perfect. So you remember the ingredients. Tia Maria, if you don't have this, use some Kahlua. Little bit of peach. No Baileys. Henny. Alright, Hennessy. Some condensed milk. Easy. And then you just put some cheesecake in it. Alright, that's your own style of drink. We will call it a dessert cocktail. Alright guys, so stay tuned with the display. No play. See it? Now you got a dessert drink, guys. Yes, man. You see, the Mixmaster know how to do it. Alright, so next week again, we're coming out with another cracker video. So, guys, why me have to alone have to drink all them drink there? You don't have anybody else to share with. Hysterian, Tiamak, Jesus, my God. House rat, man. I tell you. Well, man, this drink. Amazing. All the fans, Rollo, everybody, big up on yourself. Stay tuned. Next week again, we're coming out with another. You never know what yet, but stay tuned for it. Alright guys? Drink mix. Nice. I'm out. Peace out. Love and protection. Oh.